What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to start off by apologizing for my lack of content recently. Myself and a group of other awesome YouTubers and content creators have been hard at work creating a newsletter for you guys. You may have heard of it because we've been talking about it on Twitter. It's called the Blockchain Brief. We will be premiering that shortly for the community. It's taken up a ton of my time, but I'm very excited and proud of what we've created, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'll leave the sign-up link down below if anybody is interested in joining. And I want to preface this by saying this is actually the second time I'm shooting this video. I shot it last night and I had camera issues because I moved to a new apartment and I'm trying to figure out the whole setup. I forgot to change some settings, and because of that I ran into some issues. I tweeted out an apology, so round 2 is today. Today's video will be another unboxing and walkthrough of a hardware wallet. This time around, I actually get to give away a wallet to a lucky winner. I set up a raffle about 2 weeks ago, and I will reveal the winner at the end of this video. My usual reminder, please don't forget to hit that like button or that subscribe button if you haven't already. I am grateful for the community's support. I put out new content, as often as I can, and I would hate for anybody to miss out. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by going over to my website where I sell merch, or my Redbubble store, which I sell more merch on, and pick up some cool crypto t-shirts and other stickers that I've designed. You can also go over to patreon.com and sign up to be one of my patrons if you're interested. Just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. All investments have inherent risk, and please always do your own research. My videos are for entertainment purposes only. On to the good stuff. Ellipal advertises itself as the safest and most accessible all-in-one cold wallet on the market. One of the coolest things about this wallet, it has 2 major components. The hardware wallet itself, which is a cold wallet, meaning that it doesn't connect to the internet, making it isolated, and the Ellipal companion application, which is actually the hot wallet and the portion that connects to the network. The companion app allows for exchanges, trades, and account management on your mobile phone anywhere, anytime. On to the part that you guys came for. So this is the box that it comes in. As I mentioned, I unboxed it yesterday, and I had to close it all back up for the video. In the box, you will find the Ellipal wallet itself with a little pull-out tab. It's pretty neat. It's about the size of a deck of cards, and it feels kind of like the weight of an iPhone. I'd say it feels pretty sturdy. It's got a little button here on the side. It's also got a camera back here, which I'm not certain what it's used for, but we will figure out in the future. And it's got a little charging port. If we take this out, here we have the paper in which you write down the mnemonic phrase. I have it folded in half because yesterday I wrote down the phrase. Obviously, it's going to give me a new one now because I did a whole refresh on the wallet itself, but that being said, still don't feel like having to blur this out in the video when I go to edit it. So it's 2-sided. It gives you an opportunity to write down your mnemonic phrase. What that means is if you lose the Ellipal wallet, you break it, somebody takes it, or what have you, if you use this phrase, you can restore your Ellipal wallet to a new one and restore all of your cryptocurrencies that you have on there, which is very important. So you never want to lose this, and you never want to give this to anybody. Next is the charging cord. I charged it last night, so we don't need to do anything with this now, but that's pretty cool. I like not the consistency. I like the thickness and the shape of it. It's kind of like a ribbon wire, which is cool because it actually, usually wires that are like this get tangled less, and you have less issues with them getting all messed up with other stuff. As normal, there are Ellipal stickers. Stickers come with most wallets. I kind of have a collection of these now. Underneath that, we have the, I don't know what this is, the warranty card. You write down your model and name and all that stuff. And then this is the book. I checked yesterday. It does have English instructions, which are very useful. I took it upon myself to download the Ellipal companion app prior to this video because obviously I used it yesterday. So I will walk through that right now. But to start, we need to turn this on. Press and hold the power button. It had already been powered on, so it gives us a bunch of different options. Create account, recover from mnemonic, or import private keys. So we're going to create a new account. I couldn't figure out yesterday how to set up a wallet for XRP and other things outside of ETH and ERC20s and what's listed here, Bitcoin and BCH. I contacted Ellipal and they told me that what you need to do is set up an ETH wallet, and then from there you can add assets. So we're going to start with this one because this is the most useful. So ETH, account name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Alex for obvious reasons. I'm going to put a password on here. Then there you're going to press next. And it's asking you a bunch of things, basically confirming that the mnemonic that it's going to give you, you're going to write down somewhere that if you lose it, you can't get it back, and then it's very important for the function of the wallet. So you're going to check all of these. Back up now. Now it's going to give you the mnemonic. So at this point, I'm going to write this down. I have to, because otherwise I won't be able to continue with the rest of the video. Because after this step, it asks you to make sure that you have it written down by confirming all of the words that it just gave you. So let me do this quick. Okay, so I wrote my phrase down. Now I'm pressing verify, and it's asking me to put in all of the words that it just gave me to clarify that I know what they are. So if I ever lose the wallet, I can restore it. Okay, backup successful. So now you can see here it says ETH Alex, and you can go to connect to app, which means I'm going to need to connect it to the phone. Send, receive, synchronize, sign, account name. You can change the password. You can delete the account, which is what I did yesterday when I needed to restart. This currently supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, XRP, EOS, and NEO, Monero, and Tron. On their website, they state that they're currently working on supporting more projects. Out of the gate, quite honestly, it holds a lot more coins than I expected it to, so I was pretty impressed by that, considering the fact that it's not one of those main cryptocurrency wallets that people always go to. It has a very good variety. Next, you need to download the Ellipal companion app. It's very easy to find. You can actually go into the wallet and say that you need to download it. It will show you a QR code, which will bring you right to the App Store. Or you can just simply Google or search Ellipal in the App Store and it comes right up, because obviously not a lot of other things are named that, so it's pretty easy to find. All right, so we're going to open the Ellipal wallet. So here it says connect to the cold wallet, and you need to get the QR code from the app itself. So connect to app, see QR code, scan, boom, now it's linked. That's pretty cool. So if I had any Ethereum or any other stuff on here, it would show that it's being held in the wallet. If you go under this and you go to add assets, you went under the ETH wallet and there's a plus sign, there's a ton of stuff here that you can add. Tether, VeChain, 0x, Silica, so on and so forth, Tron, Icon. That's a great little tab there, because obviously you're going to want to hold more than just Ethereum. From there you can add more assets like BCH and Bitcoin if you want. And then again, you know, because now it's connected to this, you can access this wallet from the app at any point in time, which is definitely makes the usability of it a little bit more realistic, because it's kind of impossible to need to get stuff off your ledger and it not be with you. Again, it's supposed to be cold storage, so you know, you're really not supposed to be using it on a day-to-day basis. But if you want something that's more usable on a day-to-day basis, this is definitely a great option. Also, I don't know if you can see how well this is going to translate on camera from my phone. If you go to profile, you can go to settings, you can change your chart colors, you can change your currency units, and you can change the language. You know, you have your assets tab, you have your markets tab, which is really neat, shows the market cap value of a ton of different projects. You can look up the coin price, you can look up the movement of it. There's a hot list, which presumably is what's moved the most, I'm guessing, in maybe 24 hours. I don't know for certain. There's a news tab, which is probably one of my favorite things about this companion app. Any sort of news outlet for me is great, especially if it's on the phone, especially if it's already sunk in an app that I'm already using, makes it super useful. And then obviously there's the profile tab. You can go to your manage account, you can import accounts, so if maybe you have another Ellipal wallet, or create a new account. There's all kinds of fun stuff to do in here. On to the pros, the cold wallet support, or the cold wallet feature. It's a pretty neat aspect that allows the private keys to never touch an active network, so the wallet in theory should always be secure. This is pretty important, considering the whole idea of you having one of these wallets is so that your cryptos are secure. It's also quite competitively priced at $149 US, compared to the Ledger Nano S, which is $99, and the newest Trezor Model T, which I did an unboxing and a review of not too long ago. It's about $174. Their older model, the Trezor 1, just got moved down to 89 euros, which is about 104 US, and the Keep Key is 129 US. So like I said, pretty competitively priced. Cool feature, if the wallet detects any security breach, all data will be erased automatically. That's very useful. Reminds me a bit of when you lose an iPhone and you can use Find My iPhone or iCloud to erase the iPhone so that other people can't get your information. The QR scanner is the only means to exchange information between the Ellipal wallet and the Ellipal phone app. This does truly protect it from any network activity. Next to the cons. My major concern with newer hardware wallets just with all the other ones that I've looked over too, is the legitimacy of the security. Ledger and Trezor have been on the market for quite a while, and they've been put to some real life tests, proving that they are reputable and that they are secure. The biggest hurdle with these newer projects or these newer companies is proving to the community and to crypto as a whole space that they are safe, secure, and that they can stand up to any issues and stand behind all the promises that they make. Something I'm neutral on is the size and shape. It's a little large, like I said, about the size of a deck of cards. While the idea, I assume, is that you're not carrying it around with you wherever you go, you probably wouldn't want to, even if you could or you should, because it's a little bit cumbersome. It's not really going to fit in your pocket. Again, not like it's really a place it should be, but, you know, just saying. Final thoughts. I love the idea of the wallet being isolated from any network connection, making it a safe option. I'm always a big fan of a wallet that is usable without needing to be plugged into a computer. Don't get me wrong, I do have a ledger. It is my main source for storing my cryptocurrencies, but I will likely be using this because I love the idea that it can be used from the phone and it doesn't need to be carried around with you. Like most tech though, time will tell if it can stand up to the scrutiny of the community and if it can really stand behind the promises that it makes from a security standpoint. All in all, I like the wallet, I like the price point, and I think it's a good alternative option to the other major players in the space. If any of you are interested in picking one up, I will leave my referral link down below. All right, we're going to go over to my computer now, and I am going to reveal the winner of the giveaway. On to the main event. Let's see who won the Ellipal wallet. So here's the giveaway. Had a pretty decent amount of entries. This competition has ended. Let's see. Oh, winners over here. Okay. What are the winners? One prize left. Draw the winner. Winners to draw. Let's go. Boom. Nate, you are the winner. At 303 Nate. I will message you on Twitter, probably email you if I don't hear back from you. Within 24 hours, I will do another entry for another winner. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for me. I want to thank Ellipal for sending me a wallet to unbox and also a wallet to give away. I want to congratulate 303 Nate on his winning of the Ellipal wallet. And yeah, thank you guys for watching as usual, and I'll see you all soon. Hey guys, if you like my unboxing video, check out my unboxing playlist. And if you'd like to watch something else, check out the rest of my content, as I'm sure you'll find something interesting. And as usual, thanks for watching my channel.